Hello everyone, my name is Vishali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about that why you should believe in yourself and how you can do that. So let's get into the video. First thing, why you should believe in yourself. Like there is not even a one point where you think that I can't do this. No, there is nothing impossible in this world which you can't do. Everything that you dreamed of, you want to do something, you can do that. And for that, you need to believe in yourself. You should believe in yourself for a better future, for your happiness, for things that you really want, to give yourself little treat, to give yourself happiness, to keep yourself happy. For that, you need to believe in yourself, right? Main thing, how you can believe in yourself. Firstly, stop comparing yourself with other persons. Everyone have their different life goals, different experience, different mindset, different feelings. So every human being is different in their own way. You are different. You are one in a million, one in a billion. So you can't be think like this person is looking like that, why I'm not looking like that, this person have this quality, why I don't have that. No, you can't do that to yourself. You are harming yourself by doing that. You need to stop compare yourself, because you are so beautiful, so smart, so intelligent the way you are. You have so much unique qualities inside you. Focus on yourself. Focus on your inner self. By comparing yourself with other people's, you are harming yourself unintentionally. See, everyone is so different. You can't do this to yourself. You are so much great the way you are, and you can do everything. Second thing is consistency. See, if you really want something and you stay consistent to that, like that consistency build so much confidence inside you, and that confidence help you to reach your goals. That confidence help you so much to believe in yourself. Even if you fail, no matter what, even if you fail, that confidence, that self belief make you do that thing again and again. So you need to stay consistent, and that will help you a lot. If you are doing something, you did it in a real little weird way, that's okay. If you stay consistent, you will learn that skill slowly, and that will automatically help you to believe in yourself. Third thing, positive mindset. Like if you think that nothing in this world that can stop me to do this, there is really nothing that can stop you. You have to set your mind like that. Like you need to change your mind dialogue, saying this, that I haven't learned it yet, instead of I can't do this. Saying this is really affect your mind, affect your energy, affect the way you think, affect the way you do things. So you need to change your inner dialogue and try to stay positive. It will automatically build something inside you, something good. That's my baby. And last but not the least, that mistakes can't stop you. इस धरती पे कोई ऐसा इंसान नहीं है जिससे गलतियां नहीं होती हैं. नो मैटर हु दैट पर्सन इज, सबसे गलतियां होती हैं, लेकिन सेल्फ बिलीव वही इंसान अपने अंदर बिल्ड करता है. वही उसी इंसान के अंदर सेल्फ बिलीव होता है जो इंसान अपनी गलतियों से सीखता है, ना कि गलती होने के बाद रुकता है. सी, सो that doesn't matter if someone is judging you, people judging you, let them. Don't stop. Mistakes can't stop you. They help you to grow more. They teach you that this is something that you did wrong and you need to improve this the next time and you came up with something better, right? And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I will come back tomorrow with something new, with something great, with something more interesting. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you. Bye.